Alrighty guys, well, I'm taking out the AMD Ryzen 3300, or 3100, and putting in AMD Ryzen 5500. It's the first time I've ever took one of these out and put another one in. It's a very momentous occasion for me, and I just pray I do this correctly. It feels like it went well. Alright, so that's seated in there, and now that that's seated in there properly, I have to, my mic's not plugged in, so it probably sounds really crazy, but I always film when I mess something up. Oh, better find that screw before it gets worse. And put this in the magnetic tray. Put these two little bars in there. And now I'm gonna try to pick this case up and get into the back side here, because I dropped some pieces in it, and that's never fun. But that's what I have to deal with. I made a boo-boo. I gotta figure out how to fix it. Couple of giant dust bunnies. This is the guy right here. This little mount right here fell through the case when I unscrewed the CPU bracket or whatever, so I had to take the back plate off and get it back. So super fun. So, I don't want to put the old CPU cooler back on, so let me fix my stand here. Figure the easiest way to do this so I gotta get my stuff all set back up. Bam. So I didn't really know what kind to get. I literally asked Grok or whatever, and he just got me close enough, I think. I'm doing my first thermal pasting. I'm gonna lay this thing back down. Well, I wonder how runny it is, because if I can just squirt a good amount of it on there. Let's see what I got going on here. Please don't drip all over my stuff. It's probably a very liberal amount. I don't want it to drip all over anything. I'm going to take the rest of what I got here and wipe it on this guy. Don't want to waste anything. Bam. Clean the rest of what I got on this tube off. Smeared it on this guy. And then make sure my AMD orientation is right. Put the backing plate back in. I think it goes like this. Wants to be like that. That's probably the smartest way to end up with the least amount of cable. Hopefully that will just stay there for a second. It's not enough cable to reach. Gonna have to do this. Yeah. I'm actually gonna look at the instructions really fast. Or not. I'm back. Looking at the instructions really fast. What part are we at? We've pasted it. It shows those little plastic things still back on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall them. This thing is trying to fall on me. I believe this guy sat on there like that. Yeah. You know what? If I put some tape on this thing, yeah, let's just get this done. Sorry, I stuck an old CPU back in the case. Alright. See if we can't do this correctly. Goodness gracious. If I haven't already mentioned, I am an amateur. I never thought a magnetic screwdriver would try to be my enemy. $1660 came in clutch again. This is the struggle, guys. I'm gonna probably have to make another video.